Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum on Metamask, and it's a simple step-by-step guide. So after opening up your Metamask, click on this Buy Ethereum button over here. But please, after that, make sure that you're in the Ethereum main network over here, as you can see. If not, switch to the Ethereum main network. So after clicking that, click on Buy, and then click and select your region over here. So click on this drop-down arrow, and then from the drop down arrow you come here and then select the region. Selecting the region means you're selecting the country that you are residing. So you can either come and choose to search for your country, okay, and then after searching for your country, click on that, then click on continue over there. So for this case, you see the number of payment methods you have. So for this case, I'll click and choose mobile payment and then click on continue to amount. So from this case, you need to put in the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. So for this case, before doing all that, put in the amount of money you have. So for my case, I have like 20,000. Okay. As you can see, this is the amount of money I have. And for that amount of money, I'll be getting a number of Ethereum. So click on get quotes. When you click on get quotes, you'll be getting the number of Ethereum you're going to get from the amount of money that you've submitted to buy. As you can see, it says there is no provider for this mobile money payment. All right, so what I'll do is simple. I'll just go back over here and change the region. So I'm assuming you're in the United States and say you're in the Alabama region of the United States. Okay, so for my case, my country, there's no payment method there. So for this case, I'll put in the amount of dollars I want to buy. So I'm buying $250 worth of Ethereum. So after doing that, click on get quotes. When you click on get quotes, as you can see, it will start fetching the quotes for you. And as you can see, if I buy worth $250, I'll get 0.0993 Ethereum. Okay, if you click on continue, go ahead and pay, and it has two options over here. It gives you option of Banksa and also MoonPay, so you choose one. All right, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.